Hi, I'm Dr. Stephen Gundry. If you're like almost anybody outside of Italy or Greece, you need more olive oil in your diet immediately. Why? Well, it's not just because olive oil is loaded with healthy, nutritious fats that keep your hunger at bay, though it is. And it's not just because olive oil is a delicious alternative to waistline-wrecking canola oil and other common unhealthy oils, though it is that too. The real reason you need far more olive oil than you're getting is because it contains a unique compound called oleuropein. Oleuropein is a powerful polyphenol that can mean the difference between you dying early of a heart attack and living healthy and happy well into old age. Take it from a heart surgeon. That's no exaggeration. You see, heart disease kills more people around the world every year than all other chronic diseases combined. It's the #1 cause of death on Earth, and most of these heart-related deaths are due to dangerous plaque buildup inside people's arteries. This buildup leads to a condition known as atherosclerosis, which causes, you guessed it, heart attacks. Strangely enough, though, people in the Mediterranean region live long lives and rarely die of heart attacks. You know why? They consume a ton of olive oil and get their oleuropein. See, oleuropein protects your heart by helping to prevent your arteries from clogging. It accomplishes this by acting like Teflon inside your arteries, stopping plaque from sticking to the arterial walls. Let me demonstrate this effect for you. See these two pieces of cloth? The piece on the left represents your arteries currently, vulnerable, unprotected. But the piece on the right has been sprayed with a special fabric protector. It represents the arteries when you have enough oleuropein in your system. And this is the stuff in your blood that turns into disease-causing plaque if it sticks to your arteries. That's pretty nasty stuff. And here it goes. Notice the difference already? Yeah, let's give it some more. Wow, yuck. Now, let's run some blood through these arteries. Here comes the blood. And you know, this piece still looks awful. It's still got plaque on it. But look what happens in the treated side. It pretty much comes right off. What a difference. This is your artery on oleuropein. And you can bet that over a period of years, this nasty plaque builds up until this artery is clogged and hardened. And that's when you're on the way to a heart attack. But look again over here. See how this protected piece rinsed clean easily? This is what happens in your arteries when you get enough oleuropein. And that's why you should always make sure that you have plenty of olive oil in your diet. Trust me, you'll feel a lot better and your heart will thank you.